Hello everyone and welcome back to the learning channel. So today we're going to start by opening Eclipse right away. There we go. How's everyone doing? So this is the file that we made in the last video. So today we're going to get started with our first program. Actually, I should say method. So in order to make a method, in order to print something out, you need a main method, and the signature for the main method is public static. Wait 1 second, let me zoom in. Public static void main string. La- Later on, I'll spend more time talking about each of these things because believe me, I can't explain it in less than 5 minutes. Well, actually, I'll just do this for those of you guys who wants to move up or stay ahead. I'll just definition of each word. So public indicates that the public indicates that the main method can be called by whoops by any object. Static indicates indicates that the main method is a class method. Perfect, there we go. Then the last void indicates that the main method doesn't return any value. I know all of this sounds gibberish to you guys, but trust me, I'll explain everything when we get there. Alright, so now we're gonna print something out. And when you print something out, the syntax is System.out. Oops, loading 1 second. I know it's kind of slow. Okay, there we go. System.out.println. LN actually stands for line. Yeah, I know us programmers are really lazy. And then you do quotations. You can put whatever you want. And I'll just put the number one thing that every programmer types when they first print something out. Hello world. Alright. So now when you're done, you can press Control S, or you can just go right here, click run. See, it prints out right here. Hello, hello world. Well, actually, my I kind of did something different. I kind of changed my Eclipse, so I'll just change it back to the way it was. If I can change it back, it's a headache. Oops. There we go. So after you click on this arrow, which is run, this this is basically what you told the computer to print. And I'll do what I did before. I'll briefly describe or explain system out and print ln. Okay, so system is a final class. Out out is a static, if I can spell correctly. Out is a static method. Nope, no, just kidding, JK. Out is a static member field of system class. The last one, print ln is a method of print string class. And by the way, if you guys are wondering how this is coming out in green. What this is called, this right here, and this is basically me commenting on my program. So if you so as you can see, by starting a comment, it's to two front slashes, and this doesn't conflict with your program. So when the computer is checking for what it needs to print or check, it won't even look at these comments. Programs mostly use comments to indicate what is being used and what is needed for what reason. Yes, so this is it for today's video, and next time we'll learn something new. And like I said before, I know these stuff are kinda advanced for the new beginner, for the new programmers, but trust me, for now, just stay in my pace. But if you do want to learn ahead, you can Google them and learn more. And please, guys, if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you want me to teach differently, teach something else, or teach in a way that you guys would prefer, please tell me in the comment section. Thank you. Have a good one.